Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today on this sunny day we're taking an inside look into this 2022 Grand Design Transcend 221RB. But before we get started, don't forget, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and leave us a comment below about what you think about this Transcend. But let's get started. This Transcend has a single entrance, as you see here. It's located in the back near the rear bath. We have a giant awning with a really nice LED light strip, and we have our outdoor speaker systems, which also are inside, so you can keep the music going both inside or outside. And of course, we've got storage, but let's check that out. Our pass-through storage is located in the front of this Transcend. It's all underbelly, it's fully finished. Again, it's easy to clean. We have two LED lights with on, off, and motion sensor settings. This is a really great place to store your extra things and have it all very organized. On that side, you have your convenience space, everything you need when you get to the campground, and all the important stuff, of course. But other than that, let's check out the inside. Right on the inside of our only entrance, of course, check out this window that's letting in a lot of nice lighting. But we have our control panel. Again, everything lights up of all of our slides, awnings, all of our tanks, and everything we need. And our indoor-outdoor speaker system controls are right next to the door, so that's super convenient. Also right next to the door is our bathroom. Let's start there. I always say this because it is true. I really love rear bath floor plans because of the space it offers, the convenience, it's always located next to a door, and it sort of keeps things private from your entertainment space. But this bathroom is fully loaded with plenty of countertop space, a really nice size sink, and a little bit smaller of a storage space out there, but it's plenty big. Above our sink, we have a really nice medicine cabinet system here of sorts. We've got open shelving a little bit on the bottom. This is a little bit of a different design. I've seen double mirrored medicine cabinets. I've seen a few other things, so double check exactly what your interior looks like before purchasing. But across from this is our shower, complete with a built-in squeegee shower door, so you don't have to worry about a curtain, and extra storage here on the side. And let's not forget that we do have a window in this bathroom, but it does have a privacy shade, and it opens sideways if you want to have extra airflow. Now onto our entertainment space. Here in this single slide Transcend, you will find on this particular model some seating options, theater seating. Two of these recline, and I believe we may have a little extra little thing for your arms and your drinks. I love that. Easy to clean off too. There's actually a regular outlet behind this sofa, and that gigantic window that opens sideways as well. We have an RV fridge and freezer that looks really nice, exactly where it is, and a small drawer underneath that you can buy inserts that make this into a pet bowl, a wine rack, or anything else, or you can just make your own. That's definitely an option. But our kitchen is the normal layout that we know and love. You get the gigantic sink with lots of storage and cabinets above and below. This one has a Furrion stove. Again, I love those knobs that light up. You can turn them off, so it's not always on. And in this particular one, we've just got a regular drawer for all of our pots. It does not have the pot holders. And again, more drawers right next to your entrance, or possibly could be for some of your guest items so that they don't lose it. And I like that they added the extra countertop on top. So this is sort of an appetizer buffet area if you need it, if you have lots of people hanging around. But above, we've got our smart TV on a swivel. Again, I love the Roku TVs. And if you want to know any tips about this, check out our TikTok. We love to have informational videos on there too. But next is the bedroom. Our private master behind our barn style door. Again, it's all normal here. We have our vent fan option if you would like to get some of that extra hot air out of here. But you do have two windows to help with that as well. Residential size bed with a little bit of padding here in the top for your head, and a single light. And again, two more wardrobe options on each side with hanging rods and lots of different places to charge your electronics and things like that. But what do you think about this rear bath Transcend? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want more of it? Let us know in the comments below. But give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.